Christmas 2018 is over, and let me show you what I did for friends and family. I did a bunch of bottle stoppers. So I started with a 12-inch long blank of Purple Heart, which I cut into 4 short 3-inch pieces. Now my lathe comes from Penn State Industries. It's a Turncrafter Commander 12-inch variable speed MIDI lathe. I'll put a link in the description below. The reason I bring this up is Penn State also sells a bottle stopper kit, which includes a chuck, a 3/8-inch drill bit, and a tap kit. So once your blanks are ready, you use the 3/8-inch drill bit to punch a hole in the center of your pieces, and you use the tap kit, well, to tap the hole. As you would expect, the chuck fits the lathe perfectly well. It has a protruding screw head which fits perfectly inside of the blank that has just been tapped. And at this point, it's just a question of turning the piece. So I first start by rounding it up, and then after that you'll see me shape it. One thing I found, I did 4 different bottle stoppers. And one thing I found is you really can't go wrong with the shapes that you're using. It's just a question of letting your imagination go and shaping the pieces into something that looks, well, kind of like a bottle stopper. So let's take a look. I then sanded the pieces with 4 different grits of sandpaper, going from 120 up to 400 grit. After removing all the dust, I used CA glue to give it a finish, and that was the first type of finish that I used. I did about 3 coats on each of the pieces. It took about 30 minutes to turn, sand, and put a coat of CA glue on each of the pieces. Once that was done, I waited about 5-10 minutes, removed them from the chuck, and then put a little dab of CA glue inside of the hole. I was able to screw in the actual bottle stopper. To give a little bit more luster to the finish, I used a couple of coats of spray lacquer as well, and that really turned out quite nice. You see all 4 bottle stoppers here, including one of my world famous snowmen in the background. And then to finish things off, I buffed the bottle stoppers on a buffing wheel. Here's what the finished product looks like after it's buffed. The one on the right still needs a bit of TLC. Overall, this was a real simple project to do. It made great gifts. I encourage you to try it yourself. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.